Hi, Leiann King, and I'd like to welcome you guys once again to the AromaShare Club. It is January 2015, and our month's theme is Fresh Start. And this is all about New Year's resolution. Do you know what the #1 New Year's resolution is? Weight loss. So I figure that's probably one of yours, and so we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about a cellulite massage oil. That's what we're going to make. We're not just going to talk about it, we're going to make it. So you need a little handy dandy flip top bottle, and you need your grapeseed oil. You can use jojoba if you want to. I like grapeseed. So, and your grapeseed comes in your CEO pack. So voila, you already have it. So I fill my bottle halfway up with grapeseed oil. That's the first thing you do. And you want to have, enough space in the top of the bottle. The reason why I like to fill it up halfway is so if I have space for shaking. So the first thing we're going to do, make sure I have the right oil, is grapefruit oil. And is grapefruit, pink. People always ask me about that. Grapefruit, pink. All right, so we're going to put 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops. Smell your cap. Put your lid on tight. All right, then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do 6 drops of lemongrass oil. All right. Check, make sure you have the right oil. Smell your lid. Put your oils in. 6. 1, 2, 3, whoop, 6. And if you get 8 like I did, it is okay. You will not shrink up and die. Hey, we want you to shrink up, right? But just not die. All right, the next one is orange oil. And we are going to check, make sure we have the right oil. We are going to smell our cap. We are going to put in 4 drops of orange oil. Now, we're going to talk about these oils. They are what is called phototoxic. And that does not mean that camera's going to kill you or something like that. It means photo means light. And so what these do is it almost makes sunlight sort of toxic to you, but not that bad. But what it does is, and I didn't shake because my prop people in the back are moving things around and distracting me. So I didn't fill this all the way up. I did it almost 3/4. You should do about halfway. Then you put your essential oils in, you put your lid on, and then you shake it. And then you add the rest of your grapeseed oil. And I know I did it in a little bit different order, but it's okay. And if you stick these up to the light, you can see so you don't overfill them. You want to fill them up just right about up to here, the shoulder of the bottle. And a lot of people ask me about that. Let's talk about that. So when you buy a bottle, such as this one, or your essential oils bottle, and it says this has 10 mils in it. 10 mils is not clear up to the top. 10 mils is usually right below the shoulder right here. So I just wanted to mention that because a lot of people wonder, and the reason why we do that is because we have to put the little orifice down inside of the bottles, so that it drips out, and it has that little stick down in there, and that takes up space. And if we have it filled up farther than that, first of all, you have more than 10 mils. So bottle makers always make the bottles a little bit bigger than what's in there. And people ask me that question, so I thought I would just address it. And so this is a 2-ounce bottle, so 2 ounces is really right about here. And this is an 8-ounce bottle, so 8 ounces is really right about here. So I just want to talk to you about that for just a minute. Now, you take your cellulite massage oil, you shake it all up, and then the best way to use this is take your shower in the morning. After you get out, you put a little bit in here, and you rub it, wherever that cellulite is. For me, it's on my belly, lots of babies. Other people, it's on their thighs. Wherever it happens to be, that's where I want you to rub it in. And don't go crazy with it. Just a few drops is all you need because you don't want, getting oil and grease all over your clothing afterwards, because if it becomes messy, then you're not going to do it. And we want you to do it. So make your fat buster. No, this is not fat buster. That was our bath salts. This is our Cellulite Massage Oil. Both are great for busting fat though. And we want you to rub this on your cellulite in the morning. And you can also do it in the evening too if you want to. And what's really great is if you, let's say you just like really want to relax. So you take your fat buster bath, and then you take your cool shower, and then you put this on, and I'm telling you, those pounds are going to fly off as long as you're eating like you're supposed to. Remember the good food, bad food list. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have an aromatic day.